Hi, welcome to another edition of Admiral Science. Today we have some special guests. We're joined by our first block science class here at Craddock. So you want to take a look. There's the class. Alright, so on this edition of Admiral Science we'll be talking about compounds, inorganic versus organic. Alright, so they're kind of watching another video of mine currently. So compounds are made up of different kinds of atoms chemically combined. We know that from our elements, compounds, and mixtures video. Compounds have different properties from the elements that make them up, such as water. It's formed by two gases, but in fact when two hydrogens come in contact with an oxygen, they can chemically combine. They form a liquid, and that liquid is known as water. Alright, so the main difference between organic and inorganic is that organic molecules contain a carbon and bonded with a hydrogen. Alright, so if it contains a carbon and a hydrogen, it's considered organic. If it does not have a carbon and hydrogen together, it is inorganic. And this is one key word that I need everybody to know, especially from English class. And it must have both, not either or, but both carbon and hydrogen to be called organic. Inorganic refers to compounds that do not have a carbon and hydrogen in its form. Alright, so we're going to play another edition of Name That Compound, organic or inorganic. C12H22O11, also known as table sugar. Would this be classified as organic or inorganic? Let's see. Organic. Why? Because it has both the carbon and the hydrogen bond. Alright, so as long as you see these two, the outcome is organic. At this one, name the compound, organic or inorganic. NaCl. Does it have the carbon and hydrogen bond that we need to be classified as organic? It does not, so the compound is said to be inorganic. It is not organic. Alright, so let's see. H2O, we need it to breathe. We need it to survive. It's part of our daily routine of water. Alright, so H2O. So when we think of the word inorganic, what we say based off of our science definition of organic is H2O, organic or inorganic. Alright, it has the hydrogen, but remember it has to have both the C and the H. So does it have the carbon part? No, so this too is inorganic. Alright, one more. Name the compound, organic or inorganic. Here we have CO2, stuff that factories typically emit. Your car will emit. You breathe this out. CO2. Is it organic or inorganic? Well, it has the carbon part, but does it have the hydrogen part? No, so it is inorganic. Alright. So this has been another edition of Admiral Science, and look for my next video on solids, liquids, and gases, and I will see you soon.